Hi students, this is Dr. Badrinath and today's topic is antidepressants. Depression is the most common today's. Nowadays it is most common. Okay, that's why antidepressant drugs sale, if you see from the past 10 years, increasing like anything. It is boosting like anything. It is going like a rocket. You can't see the sales of the antidepressant increasing like anything, especially in the area of Maharashtra, Bombay city, especially if you see the statistics. Okay, right. So there is a number of antidepressant classes are there. In that, one important class is tricyclic compounds. See here, this is a tricyclic because it consists of three rings: cyclic ring, cyclic ring, cyclic ring. Three are there. This name of this compound is a imipramine. Class is tricyclic compound, but name of the compound is imipramine, one of the important drug for as a antidepressant, right? Okay, so tricyclic, one, two, three, like this. Three rings are there. One, two, three. Tricyclic compounds. Okay, this is, see, children are very happy because they are using this tricyclic bicycle. But we have to use a tricyclic tablets, tricyclic compound imipramine tablets we have to use. Because see, whenever the children's, small children's are, they will feel sad or something, you just give this cyclic bicycle, they will feel very happy and they will go. So it works as an antidepressant, right? Okay. So we are studying a subject of pharmacology 1. Okay, and very important for all medical and paramedical students, including MBBS also. And this is your syllabus. And here you can see it is a antidepressant. This is a highlighted one. This is an antidepressant. That is today's topic. Okay, next topic is anti-anxiety agents. Okay, right. So depression is a disorder of a mood. Your mood completely, it is a disorder, not a disease. It is a disorder. Order will be changed. Disorder of the mood. Your mood characterized by the persistently depressed mood. Persistently depressed mood, or loss of interest. Both are same only. Loss of interest in the activities, it is also called as a depression. Okay, loss of interest in the activities, causing a significant impairment in the daily life. Okay, there is no impairment is there. Impairment in the daily life, not interesting. Okay, in the daily activities, not interested in the life. These are the symptoms of depression. You can be checked either you have a depression or not. However, depression is the most common nowadays, but too little depression is quite common for everybody, but not too much. For too much longer time, depression is very dangerous. Okay, so four things are main important. One is emotions, thoughts, physical body things, and behavior. Okay, right. So emotions, sadness, you will feel always sadness, anxiety, guiltiness, anger, you will get mood swings. Mood is goes on changing, and a feeling of hopelessness. Hopeless. Never give up a hope. Okay, never give up a hope. Okay, feeling of hopelessness, irritability, all these related to emotions. That thoughts, their thoughts, how it will be frequent self-criticism. I am bad, I am not doing, I am not talented person, I am not a lucky person, like that. So impaired memory will be impaired, and concentration also impaired. They will not concentrate, focus. Confusion will be there. Since there is no concentration, automatically it leads to confusion. And thoughts of suicidal tendency will be there. Physical, chronic fatigue. If you are repeating the work, you will feel that very tired. You are very tired. You can't do the same work for a 10 times or 20 times. So suppose you are making a dumbbell, you are lifting a dumbbell, you will get a fatigue. 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, okay. But 6 times, you will feel that, okay. Lack of energy. See, that's why fatigue will come. And sleeping too much. So they'll sleep too much or too little. Loss of motivation will not be there. That's why they have to see all motivational videos, speakers. Okay, substance abuse, and crying, like behavioral changes, like they'll cry, they'll go to single place and they'll start crying. Withdrawal from the others in the society, they will not mingle with their friends. Okay, neglecting the responsibility, their jobs duties, they are neglecting. Very slowly they are moving. And being agitated. See, 1 hour after seeing this table, 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 hour will be there in your life, definitely. But it should not be for a longer time. Right. So types of depression, one, two, three. Mainly three types of depression. One is major depression, dysthymic disorder or chronic depression. So major depression, chronic depression, atypical disorder. So in atypical, you will get a manic or bipolar. Bipolar is important. I will explain you what is bipolar. And postpartum, after delivery, postpartum depression, seasonal affective disorder. Sad. Name itself indicate very sad, 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 sad. Okay, sad means seasonal affective disorder. These are the main thing, and we will see the one major depressive disorder. First one. Okay, first one. Here I have mentioned three. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. In that three, again there is a manic bipolar like that is there. Three atypical. Three means atypical. In atypical, we will discuss all these three. Okay, right. So major depressive disorder is a mental disorder characterized by at least 2 weeks. Keep in your mind, 2 weeks of low mood. Mood is always low. That is present across the most situation. Major depression is the collection of symptoms, not a single or two. It is a collection of symptoms that interferes with the ability to handle your daily life. Daily life also you are unable to handle. The person with the major depression, either depressed mood or loss of interest. That is a main characteristic. And dysthymia, it is a mood disorder consisting of the same cognitive and physical problems as that of the depression, what we have shown. It is a longer lasting symptom with a less severe. When compared to the first case, it is a less severe. Dysthymia is somewhat better than the major depression. The name itself indicates major depression is a major. Okay. Symptoms of dysthymia disorder include the sleep difficulty. So number 2, dysthymia main keep in your mind sleeping difficulties. That is the lack of energy or fatigue, feeling of hopeless. Same here they have mentioned, no? Same less same as that of the same cognitive and physical problems as that of the depression. Same symptoms will be there. And bipolar disorder means name itself indicates bipolar. Bi means two. So sometimes you will be like this, sometimes you will be like this. Sometimes you will feel happy. Aparachitudu, in the movie of Aparachitudu, the Vikram will do like this. There is a multiple, that is a multiple split personality. But this is a bipolar. You will feel like that. First they will say he will feel very happy by seeing you. After some time he will feel very sad by seeing you. You are the same person only. But we don't know why. There are two subtypes is there, bipolar 1 disorder, bipolar 2 disorder is there, but it is not a thing. And postpartum depression, that is a common in pregnancy after delivery. After delivery, see here, she is under the depression. That is a common in that, that is another type, postpartum depression. And the seasonal affective, when the season is there, she will feel happy and under the sun. In the rain, no, our mood will be, everybody know, in the winter season and in the rainy season, our mood will be very dull. Okay. So all these leads to, yeah, why these reasons you have to know. Then only mechanism of action, drugs you can understand very easily. Serotonin is a happy hormone. Here serotonin secretion is less. That's why it leads to serotonin is a happy hormone serotonin. Okay, when if suppose say there is in your brain serotonin is less, you will undergo the depression. Okay, so this is the first theory. 4 theories are there. Monoamine theory. In this monoamine, single amine theory. Okay, this theory suggests that there is a that the depression is caused by a functional deficit of monoamino. That's why it is called a monoamine. Functional deficit of the monoamino neurotransmitters like a serotonin, norepinephrine. So if these two secretion, neurotransmitter secretion is less in your brain, you are under the depression. So what we have to do, we have to boost up the serotonin level, and also you have to boost up the norepinephrine. That is nothing but noradrenaline. Okay. And number 2 is a melatonin theory. In this melatonin is responsible for the sleep. That's why this is a melatonin tablet. This is a structure. This is a melatonin tablet. It's nothing but a sleeping tablet like that. If you are taking a melatonin tablet, you will get a sleep. Otherwise, you will undergo the depression. If you are not sleeping properly, you will undergo the depression. Melatonin is a rhythmically by the pineal gland that everybody know. It is a main function. See here, sleep, including sleep. If you are not sleeping, you will undergo the depression. That's why you have to take up. So melatonin we have to boost up, serotonin boost up, noradrenaline boost up. Okay, and stress hormone you have to see. Cortisol is a stress hormone. Keep in your mind, high levels of cortisol is dangerous. Too low cortisol levels are also depression. It leads to, see here, high level of cortisol can create the agitation, increased belly fat, insomnia, and sugar cravings. High level of cortisol. See, cortisol is a hormone that can cause a depression. if level rise too high or fall too far below the average. So you have to maintain the cortisol average, on and on average you have to be maintained. Low levels can associated with the inability to handle the stress. Low level, if you have low level cortisol in your body, you are unable to handle the stress. Okay, extreme fatigue will be there, libido, sexual capacity, mood instability will be there. Okay, and BDNF. So cortisol you have to maintain average. BDNF, brain derived neurotropic factor. So according, this is the last theory, and according to the latest research, depression is associated with the decreased level of the BDNF. So BDNF leads to decreased levels of the BDNF leads to depression. So what you have to do, you have to boost up the BDNF, right? So antidepressants are the drugs. See, this is the antidepressants are the drugs used for the treatment of the depression, okay, which can elevate the mood in depressive illness. Practical antidepressant, okay. This is a classification. Reversible inhibitors of the monoamino oxidase A. Maoists, you know, they are fighting for the society, like that they will tell, they are fighting for the society, and they are in the forest only, okay, and they will do their activities like a Mayo inhibitors. Mayo's causes a depression, like that you can remember trick, okay. Mayo's causes a depression. Mayo inhibitors, okay, causes acts as antidepressants, okay. Moclobamide, they are just like police. Moclobamide, okay. Clogailine, okay. These are the two drugs inhibits the MAO. These two drugs are nothing but a police officers, like that you can keep in your mind. Tricyclic antidepressants, I have told now already. In these two types is, one inhibits the serotonin uptaking. So it is releasing and again it is taking. That is called a reuptake. It is only giving. It is a neurons are giving and again it will take up serotonin. Okay, that reuptake is inhibited. So that you can maintain the very good levels of the serotonin in your blood. So neurons will release the serotonin in your blood. Again it reuptake, like that you can keep in your mind, right? So selective serotonin, reuptake inhibitors in that tricyclic only. Reuptake inhibitors like triimipramine, say imipramine first, amitriptyline, trimipramine, doxepin, okay, like that. You can be the tricyclic antidepressant. And the next is here, see, noradrenaline, I have already told you, serotonin, noradrenaline, reuptake has to be inhibited because they are good for depressant person. They are good, okay. It acts as an antidepressants, okay. Keep in your mind. So noradrenaline reuptake in the examination, number of times this question was appeared. Noradrenaline reuptake inhibitors, what are the? Serotonin reuptake inhibitors, what are those? Like that. And here you can see this is tricyclic. This is a SRI. This, see the letter SRI. SRI. This keep in your mind. Selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors. But these are not tricyclic. Same mechanism. Serotonin here also same. But here these compound consist of a tricyclic. Whereas these do not have. Okay. Fluoxetine, fluoxamine. See here SRI. SRI. Keep in your mind. And next one is NRI, serotonin and noradrenaline reuptake inhibitor. It is both. See here, it is a subseparate tricyclic. It is a both serotonin and noradrenaline, but not a tricyclic. Okay, venlafaxine, duloxetine. That's why NRI here. NRI you have to keep in mind. Atypical antidepressant. These are all the atypical. Okay, metrazine, miaserin, okay, bupropion, very important, bupropion, okay, it ceases the smoking. Yeah, this is a same classification only if you want to take in the table format. Mayo inhibitors. There is a two types of Mayo inhibitors. This slide is only this line is important. Two types of monoamino oxidase enzymes are available, Mayo A, Mayo B, that's it. Remaining is not much important. Don't break your head. Okay, yeah, here this is important. Non-selective Mayo, there is a two types of Mayo inhibitors. One is non-selective Mayo inhibitor. Inhibits the both isoforms of Mayo inversibly, that is Mayo A, Mayo B. their antidepressant effect takes 3 to 4 weeks to develop. That's why the tablet sale is boosting like it is not just like a painkiller. If you are taking one tablet, two tablet, it is a 3 to 1 month course. Once you started a depression, you have to take a tablet minimum 1 month. Then only it's starting effects. Okay, so that's why once they are start taking the your brand, definitely they have to continue your brand. You will get a bumper sale. These drugs exhibit the large number of drugs and food interactions. Okay, the important are cheese reaction increases the risk of seizures. That is one of the problem. Seizure will be there. Serotonin syndrome will be there. So mainly three drugs are there. One, two, three. One is a uh, tranylcypromine. Here you can see tranylcypromine. See, 10 mg tablets are available. Tranyl. So if you see like this, imagine by the very popular company GSK, GlaxoSmithKline company that everybody knows, GSK company, Horlicks company. This is a Horlicks company, GSK. Horlicks is also a product of GSK that also we know. Okay, very good this one. And the next is isocarboxagid. See here, isocarbox. All are available in the form of tablets. Okay, Marplan and phenylazine. Phenylazine. See here, phenylazine sulfate tablet. These are the orange color phenylazine sulfate. Very popular and a very number one company. That is a Pfizer company. See here, GSK. All number one companies are started manufacturing of antidepressant drugs because I have told now the reason. Nowadays it is a common and the tablets are also common. Next is reversible MAO inhibitors of MAO A. First one is non-selective. This is a reversible inhibitor. It inhibits, but reversible again. This MAO will come. Okay, moclobemide. This is a thing. Moclobemide 300 mg. It is a reversible and selective MAO-A inhibitors. Short duration of action, loss of anticholinergic, lack of anticholinergic, sedative, cognitive, and some common adverse effects are the nausea, dizziness, everything. Drugs under this category are isocarboxagid, okay, phenylazine, okay, like that you can take. Yeah, tricyclic compounds, one of my favorite compounds, imipramine. Tricyclic, see here. This, how this, there is a two types. Tricyclic antidepressants, I have already told you, that is a two types. In the classification itself, I have already told. Serotonin reuptake inhibitors, noradrenaline reuptake inhibitor. These are the three, and here four. All these four we will see at one slide. These three we will see at one slide. Okay, see here. Imipramine, okay, serotonin reuptake inhibitors. First one, see here. Serotonin, see here. Noradrenaline plus 5-HT reuptake inhibitors. Imipramine, amitriptyline, dioxapine hydrochloride, trimipramine. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the companies. The Intas, very good company. Intas also, like that you can keep in your mind, right? And second, see classification. This is here what you saw is the correct. This is the correct. Okay, noradrenaline plus 5-HT reuptake inhibitor. See here combination. This A is nothing but for both. It inhibits the reuptake of noradrenaline, whereas here predominantly noradrenaline reuptake inhibitor. That point you have to keep in your mind. It is okay, right? Yeah. So when you think automatically what happened here, these compounds are better because noradrenaline 5-HT reuptake inhibitor. These are only noradrenaline reuptake inhibitor. So automatically by seeing this, automatically you can say these drugs are very better than these because this inhibits only the noradrenaline reuptake. Disipramine, hydrochloride tablets, nortriptyline. Okay, the name also nortriptyline like that they have. You can see, and amoxapine tablets. Okay, right. And SRI, SSRI works, selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors. Reuptake means more serotonin is available to pass further messages between nearby nerve cells so that it enhances the serotonin activity. That is a many SRI, SRI. This drug inhibits the reuptake of 5-HT only. SRI is the first choice of a drug for depression because of the first depression means SRI, SRI means depression. Okay, tricyclic compounds, agents, tricyclic agents, no anticholinergic side effect, no alpha blocking, no sedation, no weight loss, no property of causes arrhythmias. Okay, and the drugs under this SRI is fluoxetine. See, this is a W Ranbaxy company. See, this is also a very good company, but nowadays this Ranbaxy is not there. Okay, it is a prototype Sri. It is a longest acting drug. Very keep in your very important. Fluoxetine. Flu will be there. Flow will be there. Flow. You can keep in your mind. Long acting drug. These are metabolized to norfluoxetine. This is also very important. Fluoxetine converted metabolized into norfluoxetine that retains the antidepressant activity. This is also consists of a antidepressant activity, norfluoxetine. Plasma half-life is 2 days. That's why it is a long-acting drug. 2 days will be there. It has been approved for use in the children also, and it is used for OCD, obsessive compulsive disorder. That over neatness, over neatness. Okay, every time that is called a OCD. So fluoxetine you can be used for OCD also, and fluoxamine. See here, fluoxetine. It is a short acting. First one is a long acting. This is a short acting. A TF is 18 hours only. So that is 1 day. Used in OCD. This is also used in OCD. Paroxetine. See here, parrot. Like that you can remember paroxetine. Another short acting Sri. It is a half life is 20 hours. It is the most teratogenic among the. This is very very important bit. Teratogenic, which secretes into the milk. So pregnant woman, that is delivered woman, if she is taking a paroxetine, okay, teratogenic, the drug will be excreted through the milk. SRI is now first choice for the depression, OCD, obsessive compulsive disorder, post-traumatic, and bulimia, panic disorder. All these are the panic. You will become very panic. Then you can take a try this Sri, right? And I type. Yeah, trazodone first atypical antidepressant. It is a prominent alpha blocker. This is very important. For prominent alpha blocker and a weak 5-HT antagonist, it produces a sedation, priapism. Okay, this is important. 5-HT alpha blocker and a weak 5-HT antagonist. Okay, right. Next is mianserin, amyneptin, tianeptin. See here, amyneptin, tianeptin. This is selectively inhibits the reuptake of dopamine. This is okay, and it is a unique not inhibiting the either Na or 5-HT, but it blocks the presynaptic alpha 2 receptor. This is okay. This point you have to keep in your mind. Presynaptic alpha 2 blockage of the alpha 2 receptor. Okay, Tolvone is a brand name, but not brand names are not required for you. Miaserin, keep in your mind. Okay, this is a Stablone. And venlafaxine and duloxetine, it is a selective NET inhibitor, SCRT, CERT and NET inhibitor. Okay, but it doesn't produce side effects of like tricyclic agents. And mitrazapine, just like a mitra means friend. Okay, mitra, it inhibits the presynaptic alpha 2 receptor. All these you have to be practiced. This is the main mechanism, alpha 2 receptor, and thus increases the noradrenaline and 5-HT releases. Each one is having a different mechanism. That is the only main thing for this one. See here, these drugs may or may not increases the hormonal levels. They causes a different antidepressant mechanism. That point you have to get. Each drug is having a, see, venlafaxine and duloxetine, selective NET and CERT inhibitor, and bupropion, last one. It inhibits the uptake of noradrenaline and dopamine. It is used for smoking cessation. Bupropion, you can see the tablets. Okay, so I will end up my session here and keep watching my channel playlists.